Hello traders, Dan here. Let's take a look at the markets for February 3rd. So spiders here, we nailed this turn, and I put a video out on a YouTube where we were buying over the high of this bar. We got our ETF trader long this, and then we're riding a bounce. We were said 2, 3, 4 day bounce, I don't know. And then courtesy, and it's right here at resistance, a little bit more than 50% retracement, so it's right in the area where we expected it, but we didn't have a turn yesterday. Guess what? The turn occurred on the bearish gap down, courtesy of Facebook's earnings, just got destroyed today. And so, see this little tail right there? That's where we got our subscribers into. Here's a 15-minute chart. Had a 180 reversal here on support in the morning, so we were very, very cautious. It came in a little bit in the green trading room. We clearly had a strategy ahead of time. We said, look, it's just kind of hanging up here. I said, I don't want this thing to make a new high. I want it to make a new high and then to give us some type of bearish reversal. I couldn't have orchestrated this scenario better if I wanted to. So it broke out, followed with a bearish 180 reversal, and that's where we got into our trades on the bigger time frame, which was bearish. So this looks lower for another day or two, and probably at the 200, somewhere around here, were the area where it broke out. So in the weekly options trader, we gave a bear call credit spread over yesterday's high. We also, in the advisory letter, gave a bearish directional option trade, which we did. We bought an in-the-money long put. We have a beautiful open gain with that afternoon sell-off. Diamonds, same. Bearish reversal, IWM. We also put on a bear call credit spread in the weekly options trader for the next week, 204 over yesterday's high, 209. We just managed in between. And those were the only two trades in the weekly options trader. With Facebook's down so much, we actually gave a naked 1 DTE put when it started bouncing in the morning here. And even though it went against us, we still have 50% of max gain. So just with Amazon reporting and the bearish market, we decided to go ahead and just kill that and take our small gains. And then APA was actually posted yesterday. It's a bull 1, 2, 3 continuation. Strong sector in the oil, and we bought long calls on that in the advisory letter. And RES, we've been in this breakout daily, weekly, monthly. So this is doing really well. We bought on this buy setup down here. A couple trades. We're actually already in Papa Mike, but that's an add over today's high. Looks great. Echo Tango is on my long watch list on a pullback. Breakout daily, weekly, monthly. A couple more short. Well, Goldman Sachs, I didn't post it yet, but Goldman Sachs, we shorted a half lot of stock this afternoon. It's a sell setup at the declining 20, and we'll do the other half lot under today's low. DHI is on my radar to short tomorrow, today's low. WDC, we did post it, half lot under today's low. It's a sell setup at the gap resistance, topping tail, which was a bullish bar, topping tail, so that's a bearish reversal. So we didn't do the half lot today, so therefore tomorrow we'll do a full lot under today's low. And that's it. And as always, email me, dan@mastertrader.com, greg@mastertrader.com, and tomorrow's Friday, so happy 0 DTE day. And we'll be looking to sell credit spreads based on the close here. We'll be looking to sell more bear call credit spreads. Amazon reported earnings, and after the bell, it's up nicely. And we love selling credit spreads on earnings stocks. So this one looks like a great candidate, maybe for a put spread in the morning, depending on how it opens up and holds these gains. And that's it. Good trading, everyone. See you tomorrow, as always, in Telegram.